about water. Water has special features. It has no color, taste, or smell of its own. It shows the color, taste, or smell of the thing that is added to it. It does not have any shape too. Water becomes sweet when we add sugar to it. Water shows the color of the things we add to it. Water takes the shape of the container in which we store it. These features of water are very useful to us. We can see clearly through water. We can also make different things in water and make different drinks. Water smells like tea when we add tea leaves to it. Sources of water. Sources of water means the places from where we get water. We find water in different water bodies. Water from these water bodies is cleaned and supplied to our homes. These water bodies are known as sources of water. Sources of water are like sea, river, lake, pond. Sea water is salty, so we get fresh water from rivers, lakes, and ponds. Sea, river, lake, and pond are sources of surface water. Also get water from under the ground. We can get this water by digging wells. Well is a source of underground water. Rain refills all these sources of water. What's to learn? Fresh water means water that is not salty. Refill means to fill again. Thank you or धन्यवाद.